Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Lara from Katseye with her monster high look and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this one. First of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to color it black. And then you're going to put on this hairstyle from the petal update. You're going to choose half front and remove all the flowers. Make it black and then you're going to do this adjustment. You can copy my adjustment and then you're going to put on this horn. This is from the VIP room and then you're going to color it with this color. Then you're going to scale it down. And for the position and rotate, just leave it like that. And then you're going to put on this necklace. This is also from the VIP room and make it this color. Alright, and the next one, I'm going to put on this top. And for this top, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, this is for the color code, guys. And then I'm going to put on this boots. Wait, this one. And then I'm going to make it ankle length. Then we're going to make it gold color. Okay, you can color it with this color. Okay, for the first selection and also the second selection. And the next one, I'm going to put on this skirt from the summer update. And then I'm going to make it all black. Then guys, for the skirt, then I'm going to move to this area, this jeans area, and I'm going to put on this jeans. For the color, I'm going to make it this color as well, but I'm going to make it dark. Make it darker, I mean. And this is for the color code. Then you're going to make it foil. Okay, and then I'm going to move to this area and put on this skirt. Then I'm going to make the skirt black. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room, and from here I'm going to go to this menu and I'm going to choose I'm going to choose this dress. Then we're going to choose skirt only and then make it black. Okay, just make it black for all the selection. Then go to the world culture update items. And then we're going to put on this top from India. And then for the color, make it this purple color. And for the second selection, I'm going to make it gray. Okay, done. And then go to the Valentine updates area. And I'm going to put on this bracelet. And for the first selection, I'm going to make it this color. For the second selection, I'm going to make it black. Okay, done. And wait guys, let me remove the flower from the jeans. I'm going to make it no flower. Okay, and then let's go to the VIP room right here. And then from the VIP room, we're going to put on this jellyfish skirt. Okay, make it black for the jellyfish skirt. And then we're going to put on this belt from the summer update. And then I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and finally, you will have this Lara Raj look from Katseye with monster high look. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.